how can you disable the auto download into WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, just simply open WhatsApp, and after opening WhatsApp, you will get to see these three dots into the top right corner. Simply tap there and select Settings. Now, after selecting Settings, you will get to see this option of Storage and Data. Tap into Storage and Data, then you will get this option of Media Auto Download. Now, into the Media Auto Download, you cannot get any option to directly off or disable the auto download. Instead, you would have to select any of the options from these three. Just simply tap into first one and then remove the check mark from all of these and tap to OK. And then go to the second one and also do the similar in here and tap to OK. Then again do the similar to the third one, then your auto download will successfully be disabled. This way you can easily disable or deactivate the auto download in WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.